Hello everyone and welcome to lesson 14 numbers. In this lesson you will learn how to count from 0 to 19. Learning the German numbers is quite important because you will be dealing with it in everyday situations such as telling the time or when you go shopping. Let's have a look. Please try to repeat after me after each number so you can learn the right pronunciation. Let's start with 0. In German we say null, null, 1, eins, eins, 2, zwei, zwei, 3, drei, drei, 4, vier, vier, and 5, fünf, fünf, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, and 10, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, and 15, 15, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, and 19, 19, 16, 17, 18, 19. Now let's review what you just learned and let's have a closer look on how to form the numbers. The number 1 to 10 are very unique and you have to memorize them individually. Also the numbers 11 and 12. In order to form the numbers 13 to 19, you can use the number of 3 to 9 as a stem and then add 10, which means 10. There are two exceptions. The first number is 16, which means 16, and 17, which means 17. Here you don't use directly the numbers 6, which means 6, and the number 7, which means 7. In order to form the number 16, you have to cut out the S in the word 6, which means 6. So therefore you will get 16. And for 17, which is 17, you have to cut out the ending en in the word 7, which means 7. So you will get the number 17. This was lesson 14 with the first part of the numbers. In the next lesson, you will learn how to count from 20 upwards.